Good evening, folks. It's Ray Coloma here in the Philippines. Just call me TBC Ray. I'm from Ilocos Norte. I want to know you guys. I am so blessed. I'm so lucky that I have a TBC community family, and I want to know you also that TBC is different to other cryptocurrency. TBC is a private cryptocurrency, an abundance cryptocurrency. The mission of this cryptocurrency is to end poverty globally. And so, I saw some people disclaimer or destroying the TBC community out there on Facebook. I saw a few hours ago. Then he said on his blog or in his post, TBC is a scam. Guys, TBC is not a scam. TBC is very great, because the mission is to end poverty globally. That's why I am very, very blessed. I am very happy for that mission. And guys, okay, magtagalog po ako. Sa mga taga dito sa Pilipinas, gaya ko po, ako po si Ray Coloma. Ako po yung nagagalak na nakasali po ako, nakasama po ako sa TBC community. Kung mayroon po kayong question about TBC, just message me here. Click my link on this. Nandyan po yung link ng aking Facebook, my Facebook page right there. My email is right there, and just message me. And that's it. Good night everyone, and I hope tomorrow munti ko nang kalimutan, the new news about TBC, pwede nang gamitin ang Litecoin for paying our activation fee in our Kringle Cash. Maliban sa Bitcoin at maliban sa credit card, pwede naman nang gamitin ang Litecoin. Then, try nyo po. Ayun, maraming salamat ko. Good evening po guys, and mabuhay po kayong lahat.